Hello everyone, my name is Blissful Melissa, and as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be unboxing my April Loot Crate. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So this theme was like Fantastic Beasts and creature themes. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Ugh. So here is our first look into it. Oh my goodness, I see these. So these are Crimes of Grindelwald Baby Niffler Stress Squishies. We're gonna have to open these up and take a closer look. Oh, look at those face. So they are extremely squishy and then they come back up. These are so cute. I'll have to hide these though because my cats will definitely try and eat these babies. So you do get 4 of them. You get the black one, the gray and white, the black and white, and my favorite, the little brown and white one. Those already has me sold. I am obsessed with Nifflers. Anything cuddly, and the baby Nifflers are, and the baby Nifflers are just so stinking cute. Next we have our t-shirt, which is nice green, very bright. We have a snake on it so far. Nothing on the back. Oh, so I think it's Nagini, I think? Because she turns into Nagini, the snake we all know and love, but she starts off as a lady. So I'm pretty sure that's who this is. I'll have to look in our little pamphlet we get, but I'm glad it's in the black shirt because I have so many black t-shirts that are all Harry Potter themed. But now I have a green one to add to the mix. Oh, my favorite. We got a mug. So this is the Kelpie mug. We'll go ahead and open up. So a lot of this stuff is Crimes of Grindelwald, which I can tell. Here you, oh my goodness. So there it is. There is Kelpie. Goes around the whole thing. And at the bottom it says, oh. So when you're drinking it, it says, wash your fingers. Oh, that is really neat. You know, I have a mug obsession, a candle obsession, anything like that. I'm completely obsessed with. Small note, I got a bookish box, it was my last one, and it came with a vanilla scented candle. Instantly sold. I was like, I don't even care about the rest of this stuff. I just got a candle. We got a wall hanging, what is this? The French Ministry print. So we will open this up because you can't really see it through the packaging very well. Ooh. There we go. Look, there we are. The colors obviously don't match my room, but it says French on it, so I'm not gonna read it. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. And that's a good size too. So we have a nice little wall hanging, and of course we have our exclusive Loot Crate Wizarding World pin, which is I cannot say this word, a Madagot. So it's those cats in the French Ministry of Magic that chase Newt and Tina through their, what was it? Where they keep all of the wizarding records. Yeah, that is, and it's purple. That is so pretty. I love these pins. Honestly, I get the crates for the pins because they're super unique and very special. We'll read the booklet and see what it says about anything else about the shirt. It's a Maledictus t-shirt. Nagini, a performer in the circus, is the carrier of a rare blood curse that will eventually turn her into a snake forever. Wear this tee whenever you wish to undergo a dark transformation. So we were right, it is Nagini. That is everything that was in the April Wizarding World Loot Crate. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these crates, go ahead and follow the description down below. And I think if you follow it, you'll get $5 off your first box. I think, don't hold me to it. I'll definitely leave the link in the description explaining what's gonna go on. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ding the little bell if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you all very soon.